All right. No, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel here. We're just in New York City for the weekend, my sister and I just thought I'd bring you guys along with me. We're staying at our aunt's apartment in Chelsea. She's never here, so we just come up sometimes. But this is my sister Jessica. And yeah, we're just gonna be hanging out for the weekend. We're going to a concert tomorrow. We're gonna see like Lizzo and I don't know who else is going. Coldplay's gonna be there. Billie Eilish will be there. That's exciting. And yeah, we're just gonna head out. I'll show you guys what we're wearing. I want to do an outfit of the day. We're gonna do an outfit of the day. We love that. Okay, Jessica, what are you wearing? Oh my god, we love it. Go,
okay,
girl.
So this is thrifted.
Ooh, we love it. The top, the sweater.
Yeah, this thing.
It's super cute.
This is from like a random boutique, H&M, Veha sneakers, Zara bodysuit, jewelry from Wendy's, nice things by Wendy, and then Prada Sunnies.
Prada Sunnies, and then these are what?
Wendy and Etsy.
Cute. Okay. We'll
your
tag your earrings down below. Okay, so I am wearing this top from Abercrombie. These are from Weekday. I love these shorts. My shoes are Fila's, I don't know how to pronounce it. This bag is thrifted. It's a Guess little bag, and I love it so much. I got it for like $4. Gold jewelry, Ana Luisa, bunch from Catbird. This one's from Fiamma on Etsy. And then my Gucci sunglasses. And my earrings are from Ana Luisa and TJ Maxx. So that's it. So yeah, we're just gonna head out now. We actually don't know what we're doing. I think we're gonna go find some coffee, find some lunch, and then head into like Soho, Greenwich Village area. And yeah, off we pop. Hey Jess. So we went to a place called Rosemary's in Greenwich Village. The food was really okay, honestly. It wasn't great, but we had a really nice time anyway at the outdoor seating, and we ended up having a really good mocktail. This one here is delicious. I don't even know what I asked for, but dang. Oh, that's so good.
That's really good.
What do you think? At first it's kind of like a shock.
Yeah.
And then it's like, the taste is so nice.
It's got good flavor.
It does. Stop drinking my drink. So I think after brunch, we headed to Soho. We went to some stores. We went into Aritzia, Bloomingdale's. It was honestly so crazy. There are definitely better places in the city to shop, such as Hudson Yards. That night, I went to Magnolia Bakery and got some really good stuff. I got the banana pudding and a blondie thing. So good. Definitely check it out if you're in the city. They have also updated the Penn Station. I don't know if this is Penn Station. It's called Union Hall Station. It is so pretty now, and it was under construction for a while. So, yeah. Hey friends, so I just left Penn Station. It's beautiful in there. Now, I think it's renamed the Union Train Hall, and it's so cute. It's like 3 blocks away from my place, and I just picked up some Magnolia Bakery, some banana pudding, and a magic bar. I'm super excited. My sister is napping, but I have energy, so I'm gonna go pick up some milk for the dessert, and then we're gonna head home and then probably order a pizza from the place that's right next to our apartment, because that place is actually pretty good. I like it. And then that's gonna be our night, so I'll see if I have any updates for y'all.
Pizza?
Yeah, I said a whole pizza. Do you not remember?
No.
Because it was $2 more or something, and so then I thought leftovers for like Sunday. So I ended up getting pizza from the local pizzeria called Highline Bakery, and then I watched television by myself because my sister was tired. So yeah. Hey everyone, good morning. It is day 2 in New York City. We're heading to brunch right now at Gitano, NYC. And I just want to show you my outfit. This is my sister's top from Shein. These are from Ana Luisa. My earrings are also from Ana Luisa. These jeans are from Aritzia. I think it's the Melinda pant. I love them. They fit amazing. And then my little mules are from Charles Keith. They're super cute. But yeah, we're just heading to Gitano. We're gonna take an Uber because we're running a little bit late. But excited to bring you guys along. Okay, fam, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing an Abercrombie top. It's very cute. That Rachel gave me. And then H&M jeans, Target heels.
Those are really cute.
And then this is a Charles Keith purse, Dan Wellington watch, and then Ana Luisa jewelry.
We love it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
And then that's how I find like things to do, or like.
Oh, what am I recording? No, this. Look at that. I'm like, look at this. Yeah.
I don't remember when I had it, but it was like life-changing.
Yeah. You know who's at Rosemary's today? You could what?
You could bury me in this restaurant, and I'd be like, thank you.
True.
This guy? Okay, that's the one that all the girls wear. So after we did some shopping, we headed to Maman, which is a really popular bakery. It took us a while to get in. We ended up sitting inside at like a bar area. But the pastries were really good. Our coffee was really good. Would recommend, but not sure about the wait. There are other places with less of a wait that are also really good. There was also a little Italy festival going on in this area. That was really cute. It was like a mini OC fair or mini fair. They had like rides and funnel cakes and all this kinds of stuff. Something I love about New York is that there's always something like this going on. There's a lot of cute little jewelry stores in the area, like Catbird, which I love. We stopped in there really quickly. They have so many cute little trinkets and knickknacks. It's honestly one of my fave places. My sister wanted to get zapped, but there was a wait, so we didn't. After Soho, we headed right back to Hudson Yards area where my aunt's place is. We ended up going into the mall there, and it was so much more peaceful than Soho on Spring Street, and they have Sephora, Zara, lots of other great places, and it was honestly just so much more chill. If you want to go shopping and actually buy things and not stand in line for a long time, 100% recommend the Hudson Yards Mall. After this, we headed back to my aunt's apartment. She lives about like a 5-minute walk on the High Line down.
We are on the High Line right now. We're heading back to our apartment because we're going to Jeju Noodle Bar later, and then we have to also get ready for the concert that we're going to. It's going to be a lot of fun, and we're excited. Hello, what are you wearing to the concert? I don't know why I'm singing because we just came from the concert.
I just choked on like a loogie, or a, what are they called? A loogie?
Thank you for sharing that with us.
Okay. I'm wearing an Abercrombie shirt, Abercrombie leather pants, and my Pauline shirt.
Jessica, you mean Pauline
Amazon
purse?
Pauline purse, I'm so tired. And Amazon earrings.
Cute. We love it.
Okay, your turn?
Yeah, my turn. It's simple, but I got all of this on Zara today. So this top is from Zara. It's a cute little bustier moment, as Lauren Geraldo would say. And these jeans are from Zara also. And then I just wear my Fila's and that's it. Oh, Ana Luisa, everything.
We're at Jeju Noodle Bar, which is a Michelin star restaurant, 1 star. And this is the 3rd year in a row that they've been awarded the star. And we're about to have amazing food and be bougie. True.
have to order food here?
Or that one. Put it on that one.
You can take turns. I don't know, we're gonna have to get this. So this is lamb jajangmyeon, and it has some vegetables as well as mint mixed in. And when you bite, take a bite of the jajangmyeon with some lamb and the mint leaf, you get like an explosion of like mint with like the savory meat sauce and the jajangmyeon, and it's like so fresh. I never thought jajangmyeon with mint would taste so good. It's delicious. You need to try it. You need to try it with the mint. That is a vibe. I want to give them my ticket. Woo! Hey squad. Hey everyone, good morning. Oh, the lighting is so bad.
It is.
It's our last day in New York City, and we are gonna head out to brunch right now. We're gonna go check out the little island, and then yeah, brunch. We're gonna go to the West Village. I think it's West Village on Bleecker Street, and go to the boutiques and see what's up, and then yeah. So I just thought I'd show you our outfits. What are you wearing?
Everything. This shirt is from Cezanne, which is a French brand.
Oh, is it?
These shorts are from Target. Those are Veha sneakers.
Mm.
Jewelry from all over. Dan Wellington watch.
Oh my god, it
Etsy.
twisted backwards again, the J.
This is from Nice Things by Wendy.
Cute.
And then I don't know where this is from, but it's like a little tote.
We love it. Cutie. My
Okay.
turn. This is me. This is from Banana Republic, right?
Yeah.
These are from Fila, these shoes. We got a bunch of jewelry. A lot of it's from Ana Luisa. We've got a few Catbird, and then some Etsy gold things. This bag is vintage in New York City. I got it my last trip. These are Gucci. Did I miss anything?
No, that's it.
That's the outfit for today. Let's get going. Kind of if you want. We're heading to the High Line now. It's right outside of my aunt's apartment. And we're just gonna walk. We're gonna go to the little island because my dad told us to check it out. And also because we want to see it ourselves. This building is so beautiful.
It's the Hadid.
It's the Hadid. Ariana Grande used to live there. And so we used to step out of my aunt's apartment and be like, where's Ariana? And
Be paparazzi.
and she just wouldn't come out ever, so, you know.
Remember that one time we saw the paparazzi?
I don't remember the paparazzi.
You don't? I remember. They were standing.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day.
Let's look into this person's house. It's very nice.
It's probably like a staged house.
Where are we, Jess?
We're at Little Island. Yay! In Hudson Yards.
Yeah.
The Boys Island.
It's cute.
Oh.
No, I'm listening to you.
Oh yeah, this girl I follow, Lois, posted about it. And then also I looked at it's so hard. Like that was not the time. Like yeah, sure. I really like the vibe
I don't know.
It feels like fall today. It's so beautiful.
It does, it's gorgeous. You like that?
It's like cool. I don't know. It's like a cool like fit, you know?
I feel like someone peed on this bench. You know,
That's probably correct.
right?
With her vest.
You could what?
You could bury me in this restaurant and I'd be like, thank you.
True.